Oppo Reno 7 Pro expected to be launched on July 1, 2022. This is 12GB RAM/256GB internal storage variant of Oppo, which is available in various colors. Expected price of Oppo in USD is $835. Oppo Reno 7 Pro, a powerful flagship smartphone. Oppo is working on its Reno 7, which has got a moniker Pro at the end. The Chinese company Oppo is launching its new series of smartphones. The coming series is the direct successor of Reno 6, but the company is yet to confirm the details about the launch of the all-new Oppo Reno 7 Pro. The smartphone got a chipset of MediaTek Dimensity 920, which is the most powerful chipset, and to give more power to this handset has a 3.0 GHz Octa-Core processor inside the Oppo's Reno 7 Pro to make the device ultra-fast. And also there is a GPU of AMOLED under the hood of the smartphone. The display screen size of the smartphone is 6.5 inches and it will provide the user with Full HD plus the resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The new Oppo Reno 7's having an AMOLED display that is the latest one and is well known for its outstanding results. The coming smartphone is running the Android 11 operating system in this device. This handset Reno 7 Pro by Oppo will be paired with a gigantic RAM capacity of 12 GB. The chipset and the RAM capacity of the device show that it will enable the user to execute things with this smartphone within seconds. The internal storage capacity of the Oppo 7 Pro is 256 GB, that is enough to store a huge amount of data for future use. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a quad camera setup. The main sensor of Oppo Reno 7 Pro will be 50 megapixels, 16 megapixels along with 13 megapixels, 2 megapixels. The selfie shooter of the phone is 32 megapixels to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. The Reno 7 Pro is having an under-display, optical fingerprint reader to secure the data on the smartphone and only allows the authorized person. The device will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging of 65W. Samsung and other tech giants will face serious competition when the coming 7 Pro will release.